Hey, it's Lon Welsh at Your Castle Real Estate. I've got Joe Massey at Castle & Cook Lending, and we want to cover 5 different topics of what's holding buyers back in today's market from going out there and buying a house. And the most common thing I'm hearing from our 750 agents is that the buyers are really distressed by the high rates for mortgages right now.
Yeah.
Can you give us some context about how that fits in for maybe like a first-time buyer and how they feel about it psychologically and how to help them think about it?
Yeah, absolutely. So we've all seen the chart that over the last 50 years, the average mortgage interest rate has been 8.25%. But for folks that are in their peak home buying years right now at the age of 30 to 40, they don't remember when interest rates were 10%, 12%. So for those folks over the time that they've been an adult, the average interest rate has actually been right at 4.25%. So now we're at 6.8, 6.9, sometimes 7%. That actually feels really high for these folks. So how do you overcome that, and how do you think about that as a buyer or a real estate agent? You have to understand there is some price shock. Right? They're going to have a higher payment than they would have in their perception of a 4.25%.
Say 2 years ago.
Yeah, their perception of a 4.25% interest rate from 2 years ago, this now seems really painful.
It is.
Well, we have to walk them through what are the benefits of owning real estate. Number one, if you're renting, you're continuing to pay down your landlord's equity. You're not building any equity for yourself. Number two, there's tax benefits. With higher interest rates, you may be able to write off the interest that you're paying on your primary residence and reduce your tax bill, which offsets some of that higher monthly payment.
Yep.
Number three is appreciation. We've covered in other videos, appreciation is probably going to be flat this year, but over coming years, we do expect that to increase back to historical norms. And if you continue to rent and don't buy a property and say, I'm going to wait for rates to come down, you're going to miss out on a lot of those benefits of homeownership. If you have questions, want to learn more, your clients want to talk about it, if you'd like for Lon or myself to help you with any of your clients' questions, please feel free to call, text, email, reach out. We'd love to chat with you about it.